Hello and welcome everyone to another video. Today we're continuing with the MX5. I'm recording this video while also recording the previous video you guys saw about the interior, but at the same time we're going to work at the exterior as well. So if you guys remember, we couldn't fit the second headlight of the NB because of the filter. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like right here, and it was bumping with the light. If this was an NBFL, we wouldn't have any issues because the lights are a bit shorter. So what did I decide to do? Because I definitely cannot go on with this because police are going to stop me all the time for having just one headlight. And you might think I'm going to do an NBFL conversion, and you're partially right. I will do an NBFL conversion. During the weekend, I'm going to buy a front bumper and one light. But you're gonna say, one light? What about the second one? So a few days ago, a package arrived, and I'm really happy to show you guys this. Because I don't know if you guys are ready for this, because I really wasn't expecting to go all out on this, because I've been seeing this thing for so long, and I was like, eventually I'm gonna get it, but I don't know, I didn't expect to get it this soon. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not entirely happy with it, as I hoped, but it's still really cool. With the count of 3, 3, 2, 1, boom. This is going to be our right front headlight. As you can see, it's a duct, and then on the other side, on this one, we're going to have an NBFL light and an NBFL front bumper. If everything goes correctly, because I've been talking with this guy for like 2 weeks, maybe 3, and he's responding here, then, and I don't even know if it's a good price. I'm hoping it is. I'll probably get it in 2 days from now, and we'll be able to finish with the front and conversion. I've already ordered all the plugs and the cables that I need to make adapters for the lights, because I'm not going to hardwire them. But until then, we have a few objectives for today. Number 1, I want to do something with a car you haven't guys seen in the channel. Well, you have seen it, but we've never done anything with it. And this is the one back here, our Suzuki Vitara. We fixed this a few months ago, but it's been standing here, nobody's using it, and it's out of battery. So first up, we'll start this. Second, we'll start with the conversion. We'll remove the front bumper, place the front light, see how it looks without the bumper, obviously, just until I have the facelift stuff. And last thing we're going to do, we're going to organize the garage a bit, because it's been a total mess and everything is like all around the place, and I really don't like it. So let's start with the Suzuki. Eventually we're going to do a proper video on this one, because the handles broke off and I cannot enter from this side, and I can only enter from the passenger side, which is almost ready to be broken as well, because the clips are broken, and if you pull it wrong, it's going to break as well. This is the interior, as much as you guys can see. These are the new handles. It's fairly new of a car, honestly. Not in terms of year, but in terms of mileage. No electricity. Where was the... Okay, so it was like in the glove box. So let's go out. Open the hood of this thing. I'll give you like, guys, 10 seconds to guess how much mileage this car has, because you guys are not going to. Damn, and the battery was brand new and we already screwed it. So this car has only 50,000 kilometers. It's basically brand new. It doesn't look like it, but it's basically brand new. And before the MX5, I've never fixed any car. I had zero knowledge. And now opening the hood and seeing the motor, I can already understand half of the stuff in here. How it works, how everything, like, honestly funny how I can now understand how it works. So I'll bring the booster, we're gonna plug it, and then we're gonna fire it up. This way. Let's go in here. Take this out of gear. And... okay, fired up, straight up. Let me take this off because it's screaming. Healthy as ever. We're going to start with the MX5 now. Dark because I have the light back there, but damn, does this look cool. So yeah, we're gonna start with a time lapse removing the front bumper and installing the light. So the bumper is finally off. Really easy this time, because this time I knew how to actually do it. Yeah, so we're gonna try fitting the light now. God damn. It's been like almost an hour since the last clips. It took a bit, but god damn, it's finally on. And you might ask, where's the light? So in order to actually put on the brackets, I had to remove like the grill, the light, all of it, so I could put the mount. So I had to remove the light because in order to put this bolt to mount this bracket, I had to screw it from the bottom because the screw is too long to go the other side. So anyways, this one was easy to put on, and then there is also one like back here, which the guy put the screws the wrong way. I figured it out, thankfully. I don't want to talk about the quality of this light. I don't want to talk about the whole thing I had to go through to get this light. I don't even want to advertise this guy. I'll just keep it like I'm happy with the light. Good, I guess. It's been a lot of struggle so far to have it, and I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not going to say anything bad about him or his company or anything. I'm not going to leave any links, so even if you guys ask, I'm not recommending, not so it's only me that has it, but because I don't recommend him. I honestly do not recommend him. But yeah, the light looks good. I have to decide if I want to paint it or not, to paint match it with the rest of the car. The dust glues onto it like so easily, like it's been like 5 minutes, and I don't know if the camera can catch it, but because of the dust in here, it's already like filled with dust. So now I have to remove it again because I need to take off the wires back there. But yeah, the light looks really cool. And also, I didn't mention this, but you can have it without the light. You can just have a duct if you want, but I want to be legal, so I'm going to have the light. The fitment is questionable. I don't know if I've done something wrong, but like the curvature here does not seem to match mine. But from really far away you cannot really see it, so it doesn't really matter. It's not going to add like any power, but it's going to look cool. And I really wanted to have something different that nobody had. I've never seen this headlight in Greece. I haven't even seen it in the US or like anywhere. Maybe that's why I had terrible experience with him, but oh well. So I don't remember where we left off, but it's been a couple of days and we have some new parts here. Number one, we have an NBFL front light, the driver's side, and if we move over here, we have an NBFL front bumper. You might say, hey, it's gray. I know, I couldn't find the black one, and it was a good deal. Honestly, it was a good deal. The bumper was a good deal. The light, I don't think it was a good deal because the guy didn't leave me any of the bulbs and I have to find all 4 of them. I think I can reuse the indicator and I have to find the other 3. I don't know what bulbs it takes. It's not just a bulb, it's something like different. It's like HB3, I don't know. So today we are going to remove the other front light just so we get a look of how it looks. Because I'm currently recording 2 videos at the same time. I'm also recording the interior video and I'm going to start with that today. So I'll see how it goes. But first up, let's change the front light. So the front light has been placed. I have the hood open right now. It's not closed. Honestly, I don't know. With the front bumper of the facelift and the duct and the NB front light, it looked awesome. With the NBFL light, I don't know, I'm not really digging it, I'll be honest with you. It looked way better with the other light and I'm having an issue. So this is like the small bulb. It goes in this hole right here. Not this one, this one. It's like the first step of the light switch. It does not seem to go in. I don't know if it's compatible or not. Probably not. The flashlight went in just fine. Let's try placing in the front bumper just to see how it looks. The bumper has been placed like really poorly. I hope I did not scratch. If I did, goddamn. I'll be honest with you, like I said, I really don't like the facelift light. I really don't. Looks weird. Going to a facelift is not as easy as it sounds. So there are like two clips right here on the side, that you have to buy extra if the person who sells you the bumper doesn't give you them. Apart from paying for the bumper and stuff, I have to buy those clips. There's a garbage truck right outside. So you need to change these clips. In the facelift bumper, you need like a pair of slider. I don't know how to describe them. They're basically like sliders. The covers right here, I think, are not matching, so I'll have to remove the other one. The lights obviously are not plugged in, but that's fine. I can create adapters, but in order to plug in the adapters, I need lights as well. Oh, I didn't try the lights. Let's see. How does it look? Oh, perfect. It's not even working. Why is it not working though? Oh. Boom. That's the flashlight. Yeah, I really don't like the facelift lights. The only reason I'm actually definitely going to keep them and I'm not just gonna try to fit my old ones is because I know these give way better visibility. So this was like a really sketchy buy. I should have maybe gone away from it, but it was a good price. Other than that, they were like two bolts to put them in, so that was cool. And last thing before we move on from this is that they are way shorter than the pre-facelift lights. So if we had like two facelift lights here, the filter would still fit. Anyway, everything is currently a mess. Old bumper, removed the blinker thingies and put them on the new one. It's not like it's matching because it's like gray and black, but it's better than nothing. Small update, old hook is gone and the new one is on and tightened. I don't know how it's gonna look. I think if I bought the other version and just flipped it and put it there, it would look way better. Anyways, I don't know. Link in the description both for this and the license plate holder that we're going to install later on. They are from Greek people, local, so support them if you can. So we installed that. As you guys remember, the light has been installed. We need to wire in the new light. The light is good. I just need to wire in with my terrible soldering to wire in the flashlight. While we were trying to fit on everything, so I bought these clips. I don't remember if I showed you, but I bought these clips, which are NBFL front bumper clips. They basically go right here. The right one is perfect, no issues with that one, but the left one, when I place it, these little ears, which the bumper goes in between, they're so close to the metal that they go like this, they close down. And I don't know what to do because, I don't know, do I have to like hit the metal and like bend it somehow? I was trying to fit it again with the light because I think when you place the bumper, you have to place the lights first. You cannot do it otherwise. But because this light is different, maybe you can, which is what I'm gonna try next. Either way, I broke it, like this thing broke. So I brought some glue which is not dried yet and I just touched it and I'm screwed. God damn it. I don't remember if I mentioned this earlier, but I really hate this light because the wires for the flashlight are so damn thin. Like, could you not make them any thinner? Anyways, I tried to put some solder on maybe to make them like a bit thicker. I don't know if I failed or not. Either way, the problem is I have to hardwire them. I don't know if I could have bought like some universal plug and plug them, but this is the reality now. I'll have to hardwire them and in the future, maybe if it's needed, I'm going to fix it. Anyway, let's try putting on the bumper now with the new tow hook because I'm quite concerned if it's gonna still fit. So this is how the tow hook looks. Well, there's not much light, but it's there. Boom. Yeah, that's the general look of the car for now. Oh, also, I removed this guard because you have to get new ones if you want them. The NB ones do not fit on the NBFL. Anyway, I'm gonna take off the bumper, try to hardwire the flashlight and the whole thing and see how that goes. After so much work with this piece of shit light, which I do not recommend at all. Like, I rarely have such a negative opinion on a product, but this thing, oof, I'm not recommending it at all. Anyway, so the lights work. Boom. As you can see, the projector and the flashlight work. Well, the flashlight is pretty hidden. I just hope that I don't get in trouble for it, like that, hey, it's not really visible. I mean, I do have a flashlight and I do have a light, so shut the fuck up. Anyways, because last time I didn't have a light at all, now I do. So this is the cable work here. Good luck if any water goes in here, because I don't think this is gonna survive at all. I'll probably try doing something with it. I don't know what. I might try putting even more tape all over this thing, because I put a lot of tape. I taped everything because I put those little tubes that shrink when you hit them up, but because of the soldering being right next to it, they shrunk. So now I only have to put the bumper back on, having everything mounted and bolted, and then I can put the license plate at the front and basically be done. After a lot of struggle, it's in. I mean, don't get me wrong, not even close to perfect. It's different. This gap right here is like huge. God damn it, this gap is huge, and this light is like really out. I don't want this, but I put it so it's like gray black all together. It's not the best looking. I don't know, I mean, on camera it looks good. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, again, I did not build this for looks. I built this for performance. Well, as much as it can do for an MX5 with an 1.6. I mean, I don't know. I think the main problem is obviously this fucking light. This light has been a problem since the moment I ordered it, to be honest with you guys. Anyways, all the clips are in, everything is ready. I only need to like put the front plate on. Anyway, I don't know if I put the duct light correctly or if I've done something wrong. Either way, it will have to do. So I'm gonna try mounting the plate on. I'm gonna check the light if it's correctly placed. And I honestly hope that tomorrow, somehow, I'll be able to take this car outside and drive it a bit. Otherwise, it will have to wait until Friday. Well, not Friday, sorry, Saturday. After a lot of struggle, everything is ready, honestly. Front license plate on with the bracket, lights, front bumper, city light, tow hook. Everything is done. Again, sorry if I didn't record much. We're working with a time limit. I mean, it's Monday and I have to have it ready by Friday. We're a few days faster. I'm going to wrap the cables with a bit more of electrical tape and call it a day for today. And the car is pretty much ready for the wheels and the suspension. It's not looking the best right now, but with the like gray bumper. But having everything installed, I'll be honest, it brings everything, and the result is better than expected. The only thing I don't like about the license plate bracket, which might be my fault, like maybe I installed it wrong, is how low it is. If I drill new holes on the plate, I can bring it up, which is probably the only logical solution. So yeah, damn, the only thing left about this car for now is like the wheels. I don't know when I'll actually paint the front bumper and the hood. For whenever that's done, I really don't want to take this apart again and have to redo it, but it's gonna look perfect, except if the shop offers to do it, which they usually do. I just want to do it my way. Yeah, that's that for this video, I think. If I have anything to add, I'll add it after. So thank you all for watching. I'm really sorry if this video has been like a mess or if it's been like really short. I can't stop looking at this car. I can't stop looking at this car. Even though it looks shit, I absolutely love it. And I cannot wait for next weekend to actually go out and drive it. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you liked the video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.